Open the guard of the machine. Take off the moving roller of the feeder. Through a straight line, first of all you have to check the alignment of the comb jaws of the feeder vise with the comb jaws of the cutting vise. Thanks to a measuring system of millimeters, you have to verify the space you have, which should be 1 millimeter. Now take the two jaws which should go in the jaw of the feeder vise. You will recognize the one which goes into the fixed jaw and into the moving jaw, because the one which go into the fixed jaw has the holes in a lower position. In order to make the holes into the jaw and mount this steel jaw, you have to consider the quotas you have on the drawings, and you have to effect the hole on the jaws considering 1 millimeter you have on the plane. This means that you have to make the hole 1 millimeter higher than the quota you have on the drawing. Now take off the jaws of the machine.
E questa è una. Ecco l'altra la cavalleria. Aspetta un attimo.
Cut off the block of the jaw of 5 millimeters in the opposite side rather than the one which is holed. Now take the right and left vice jaw and put it in the machines, and consider that you have to leave 2 millimeters from the space where the blade is passing. Then take a pen and indicate the points of the holes with this pen. Now you have to fix the two comb jaws to the fixed jaw. You have to take the jaws which have the excavation on the top position. This excavation is made so that the chips go out from there. Now you have to take off the block of the moving jaw of the machine, and you have to pay attention not to lose the metallic pin which is inside. This pin has to be inside the block. Now take the block and sign a line in the center of the hole, which are already existing on the block. Now take the jaw of the moving vise and take it in line with the block in the part where the block is holed, and start to hole exactly in the center of the line you have previously signed. Now repeat the same operation for the second block. Now take the two comb jaws which go on the jaws of the machine, which are the longer one. This one goes in the machine and this one goes in the feeder. After having mounted the two comb jaws, the result you have to have is the one which we show you. Now you have to take the comb jaws which go into the feeder, and their dimensions is 120 millimeters. The results you have to have is the one which we show you. As you can see, the comb jaws of the feeder is 120 millimeters, while the comb jaws which go on the machines are 135 millimeters.